Welcome back, my name is Carrie, and today I'm going to show you one of the coolest looking prefab homes currently available. The prefab home market has been extremely fun to watch lately, with a bunch of new companies with fresh designs and various price points trying to solve problems facing the housing industry. I could sit here and talk about how traditional housing is expensive. I could sit here and talk about how traditional construction is inefficient. But I'm not going to do that. There's another problem facing housing that I've never talked about on this channel, and that's that it's boring. There's been a lot of innovation in off-site construction lately, resulting in cool new head-turning designs, while traditional site-built homes remain relatively unchanged. One theory I have is the price of traditional homes has more people looking at alternative options like homes built off-site, resulting in more alternative options like homes being built off-site. Whatever the reason may be, it doesn't really matter. What matters is it's happening and the market is popping with eye candy for potential buyers and enthusiasts alike. The company I'm talking about is called Pure Homes, and their lineup of modern prefab homes have been in serious demand. What I'm going to do is tell you about the company, show you a few of their models, and check out their pricing. Pure Homes is a designer and builder of modular homes with a goal to become the leading manufacturer of modular pods and guarantee high quality, sustainable, and affordable units to customers worldwide. Those are some lofty goals. My goal last week was to limit my pizza intake to one, maybe two pies. This company is fairly new and has already outgrown 2 manufacturing facilities to keep up with demand. To give you a quick backstory, all the way back in 2015, the co-founders Carrie and Raphael met while working in Silicon Valley and were looking to combine their skills and create a unique project they could scale. Spoiler alert, they found it. The project is what we now know as Pure Homes. Previous to their meeting, Carrie had stayed in a full glass house, which left an amazing impression, saying it felt good to be in an immersive environment while living in a house. Yada yada yada. A couple years go by and Pure Homes was born. Like others entering the space, Pure Homes realized the construction industry is ready for a shakeup. They said, we have a chance to change the way people live and enjoy staying in our units. While other industries have mechanized and surged, the construction industry remains static. This is where technology must be considered to create a library of available parts and standard components to streamline the process from start to finish. Being able to disrupt an outdated and expensive industry is a challenge that excites myself and the whole team. We don't behave like a traditional building company. Instead, we are more like a transparent turnkey solution that has a fixed cost and no surprises along the way. Even though housing is an industry that I and a lot of others think is ready for changes, that doesn't automatically mean that it's going to be easy for these new companies to move from concept phase to something that can actually be purchased. They have to find engineers and designers to get the look and feel of what they're trying to achieve, find the right materials, find the right people to build them, and get into facilities that they don't outgrow too fast. By no means is it going to be a cakewalk for any of the new companies entering this space. It takes a lot of work. The result of Pure Homes being able to withstand those early challenges and growing pains is a very cool lineup of homes they describe as luxury living made easy. They're set up to offer turnkey packages to create your own bespoke design. Just wait till you see their units. Pure Homes has 3 different classifications of homes with multiple different models within each classification. Their flagship model, the very first to be developed and designed for accommodation, is their studio. They say designed for both hot and cold climates, it's made from sustainable building materials that stand the test of time. Quality finishings throughout to ensure an amazing experience. The furnishings are as you would see in a 5-star resort with all the quality creature comforts. Unbelievable immersive views with full floor-to-ceiling glass windows and doors allowing an amazing indoor-outdoor experience. The first thing that jumps out at me for the entire Pure Homes lineup is the amount of windows in these homes. I can already see the comments rolling in about being able to see into the home, but before you bother, it's stated on their website that they have a fully integrated one-way glass system that ensures privacy while helping climate control. Nobody panic. They're not going to be able to see in your Ginch, all right? On top of that, these homes are designed with very low maintenance in mind. The rigid glass and steel structure provides ample protection from the elements, from snow to C2 rated cyclones. They have a durable, environmentally sustainable design, are energy efficient, and are compatible with solar. I'm a big fan of the modern look, so I was excited about Pure Homes from the first time I saw them, but what really stands out again is those windows. I've never lived in anything with even close to as many windows as their studio, so I can only speculate speculate on what it would be like living in it, but here's my take. I think it would definitely take a bit of time to get used to trusting the one-way glass. Like, it's going to feel a little bit weird the first time you try to change, but by the second time it's just going to be another day at the office. Their studio floor plan has a side entrance with access to the bathroom, then it wraps around the front through the bedroom and into the kitchen. The almost 400 square feet of interior living space is complemented by another 314 square feet of deck. If you live in a warm climate, which I do not, you've got about 700 square feet of usable space. With the exact same footprint but totally different layout, the second studio model is called the Retreat. The Retreat has the entrance on the opposite side coming into the kitchen, followed by the bathroom. The bedroom space is tucked off to one side, which I personally like better, but maybe that's just me. Listen, I fully understand that 387 square feet is not going to be enough space for everyone watching this video, and apparently Pure Homes does as well, because they've got a bigger home in the studio lineup called the Studio Duo. The Studio Duo is a 775 square foot 2-bedroom home with everything in the first two, plus the addition of 2 separate bedrooms. I think this will be big, important news for everyone who doesn't like the idea of a very open concept space. It was my understanding that a studio technically doesn't have proper bedrooms, but who really cares? This thing is awesome. The floor plan has the 2 bedrooms on either side of the home with the kitchen, living room in the middle, and it's a great addition to the lineup for people who need more space for activities or a family. After the success of their flagship model lineup, another series of units were introduced to be able to offer something at a lower price point, and those are called the Pure Minis. The Pure Mini lineup is a series of homes starting at only 220 square feet going up to just over 500 square feet. Again, big fan of the look of these homes. I think these are some of the best looking in this size range that will appeal to many people for a variety of different uses. Starting at the smallest, they have the Pure Mini 6. This home has a bedroom, bathroom, and kitchen packed into 220 square feet. This model is a studio with an open floor plan and bathroom at the back of the home, very similar to a lot of the studio layouts in this size range. The big difference I like about the Pure Mini 6 is the overhang on the front and deck space included. Takes the look to another level. Next in the Pure Mini lineup is the Pure Mini 10 at 365 square feet. In my opinion, the 10 is a 10. Stupid. It has everything in the 6 plus the addition of a living room, which gives separate space to those who don't prefer the studio setup. The 10 has the living room and kitchen in the front, bathroom in the middle, and the bedroom in the back with a covered deck that extends the length of the home. The biggest in the Pure Mini series is the Pure Mini 14. The Pure Mini 14 adds a second bedroom on the living room end of the home for a total of 512 square feet. The extra space and bedroom in the 14 make this home an option for more than 1 or 2 people, or just give that little bit of extra space that people might be looking for in case they have guests or just want a little extra elbow room. All the models so far look really cool, but nothing really compares to what they have listed as coming soon. This is the Pure Aqua. There isn't much listed about it other than the fact that it's going to be on floats because land cost is one of the biggest costs associated with home ownership. The picture is really all I needed to see. Where do I sign up for this thing? Before I wrap this up, I am going to check out their pricing, which is listed in Australian dollars, but I will convert to USD that'll be accurate at the time of posting this video. The Pure Studio Classic starts at $113,500. The Pure Studio Retreat also starts at $113,500. The Pure Studio Duo starts at $167,000. The Pure Mini 6 starts at $57,000. The Pure Mini 10 starts at $70,000. And the Pure Mini 14 starts at $90,000. Not bad at all. Pure Homes have some of the coolest looking homes available and are planning to expand in North America and Europe in the next 10 to 12 months. After looking at their homes, it's really easy to see why they've already outgrown 2 manufacturing facilities, and they'll likely outgrow more yet. I think this type of home is only going to grow in popularity, and they seem to have found a sweet spot in design and affordability that I think people are going to be really excited about. What can I say? These things are cool, and I will definitely be following along with what they're up to at Pure Homes and posting any updates right here on my YouTube channel. That's all I've got for today. If you like manufactured home videos, make sure to subscribe to my channel because I've got new ones coming out every single week. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.